Good morning, everyone. This is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions. My subject Geotechnical Engineering. In the Geotechnical Engineering, today we are going to discuss about consistency limit. In that, already we can discuss liquid limit. What is liquid limit? It consists of we can use the, what is the size of the sieve size? Size of the sieve size. The size of the sieve size are 425 microns and it is passed through the 425 micron. The operators used for the consistency limits. The first one is liquid limit. The used for the operators, Casagrande operators, using Casagrande operators and spatula groover. So in this liquid limit, it changes from one place to one state to another state. In case of water content increases, strength will be decreases. So it will be changes from solid to semi-solid, semi-solid to plastic, plastic to liquid state. That is called as Atterberg limits or consistency limits. The figure shows the soil changes from different states: semi-solid, solid to semi-solid, semi-solid to plastic, plastic to liquid. And this is the device used for the consistency limit, liquid limit, apparatus device, hand rubber base, cam, groover, and soil is placed in a cup by using spatula with the help of this spatula, and groover used for cut the two halves. Number of blows required for closing that grooves we can be noted. Depending upon that values, we can draw the graph between number of blows and water content. Now, in this class, the topic is plastic limit. It is defined as the water content at which the soil changes from plastic state to semi-solid state. Plastic state to semi-solid state. So, the first one is solid. Next, semi-solid. Semi-solid to plastic. Plastic to liquid. So, in plastic state, in already we can determine liquid limit test in 5 trials. In that we can take the soil from 25 blows. In that 25 blows, where 25 blows will be come in that coil, in that sample will be we can taken, and then we can determine plastic limit. So already water will be added, that will be some of the plastic state. The after completion of liquid limit, the it reaches to the plastic limit, plastic state to, we can by using fingers we can roll the sample by this way. So each 3 mm thread, each 3 mm thread. The sample is each 3 mm thread. The moisture content at which a thread of soil just being to crack and crumble when rolled to a diameter of 3 mm. The plastic limit is the water content where soil start to exhibit plastic behavior. It is the water content at which a soil changes from plastic consistency to a semi-solid consistency. It is changed from plastic to semi-solid state. It was developed by Atterberg in 1911. The water content at which 3 mm thread of soil can be rolled out, but it begins to crack and cannot then be re-rolled, was Atterbergically defined as plastic limit. So 3 mm thread will be formed. That is called as a water content at which 3 mm thread of soil can be rolled, but it begins to crack. After some collecting the 3 mm thread and that will be weighted. After completion of that threads plus wet soil, wet thread plus container weight, and after 24 hours we can take the dry threads plus container weight. We can detect the container weight. Next, liquid limit, plastic limit. First one, plasticity index. Plasticity index is defined as the difference between the liquid limit and the plastic limit of a soil. It is the difference between the liquid limit LL minus PL, liquid limit, and plastic limit. It is also written as WL minus PL, WP, liquid limit and plastic limit. So it cannot be determined. The material is said to be non-plastic. Plasticity index of sand is 0. Next, shrinkage limit. The relative consistency of a coarse soil in the natural state that can be defined by a ratio called liquidity index. It is the consistency of coarse soil in the natural state that can be defined by ratio called as a liquidity index. Liquidity index. That liquidity index, the formula is liquidity Li is equal to WC minus PL minus P. So liquid limit, water content at moisture content minus plasticity limit by plasticity indices. So it can be also written as liquidity index is equal to Li is equal to W minus WP, W minus WP by I suffix P. Plasticity index, water content, plasticity limit and plasticity index. It is defined as the ratio of water content, plastic limit and plasticity index. And comes to consistency index. That consistency limits, it is changed from solid to semi-solid, semi-solid to plastic, plastic to liquid. Consistency index is the ratio of the liquid limit minus the natural water content to its plasticity index. It is defined as the consistency limits is equal to, it is defined as the liquid limit. It is difference between the liquid limit and plastic limit to the plasticity index. This formula also written as WL, liquid limit minus water content by I suffix P. So it is also defined as the ratio of difference between the liquid limit and natural water content to the plasticity index of a soil. Liquid limit and water content to the natural water content to the plasticity index of a soil. It is the difference between the water content and natural water content and plasticity to the plasticity index. These are the plasticity index and liquidity index and consistency limits. These are the plasticity index, liquidity index and consistency limits. Now once again we can repeat what is the definition of liquid limit. The definition of liquid limit is the water content at which soil is just about to pass from plastic state into the liquid state. Just pass from plastic, it pass from plastic state into the liquid state. At this limit, the soil possesses a small value of shear strength, losing its ability to flow as a liquid. In other words, liquid limit is the minimum moisture content at which the soil tends to flow as a liquid. Moisture content at which soil tends to flow as a liquid. That is called as liquid limit. Next comes to plastic limit. The plastic limit, it starts when soil starts to exhibit plastic behavior. It starts to exhibit plastic behavior. A thread of soil is at its plastic limit when it is rolled to diameter 3 mm or begins to crumble. To improve the consistency, a 3 mm diameter rod is often used to gauge the thickness of the thread when conducting the test. And finally, the shrinkage limit. It is when water content, it is the water content where further loss of moisture will not result in any more volume reduction. So generally this is 3 types. Changes from solid to semi-solid, semi-solid to plastic, plastic to liquid state. Next class we can go for problem.